Welcome back to another video on Autovexo. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most elegant and beloved British sports cars ever, created the legendary Austin 3000. This isn't just another vintage automobile. It's a symbol of classic motoring, handcrafted engineering, and timeless automotive beauty. Decades after its debut, the Austin-Healey 3000 continues to capture the hearts of collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates the golden era of sports cars. In today's video, we'll explore everything that makes this iconic roadster so special, from its breathtaking design and handcrafted details to its performance, driving experience, engineering, comfort, collectability, and why it remains one of the most desirable classic convertibles ever built. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this journey through one of Britain's greatest automotive legends. The first thing you'll notice is the unmistakable styling. Even by today's standards, the Austin-Healey 3000 looks absolutely stunning. Every curve, every chrome accent, and every body panel reflects an era when automobiles were designed as rolling works of art. Unlike many modern sports cars that rely on sharp angles and aggressive styling, the Healey embraces graceful curves, flowing fenders, and elegant proportions. The long sculpted hood instantly tells you this is a true driver's machine, while the short rear deck creates the classic roadster silhouette that enthusiasts love. Finished in this gorgeous deep British racing green paint, the car radiates sophistication and timeless elegance. The front end is perhaps the most recognizable feature. The large oval chrome grille dominates the face of the car, giving it an unmistakable identity. Flanking the grille are large round headlights that perfectly complement the sweeping front fenders. Below them, polished chrome bumpers with distinctive overriders add both protection and classic styling. The hood scoop hints at the powerful engine underneath while enhancing the sporty appearance. Every detail is beautifully balanced, creating a front-end design that has aged remarkably well over the decades. Moving along the side profile, the Austin-Healey displays one of the cleanest and most elegant silhouettes ever designed. The flowing body lines continue uninterrupted from the front wheel arches to the rear fenders. Chrome side trim adds just enough visual contrast without overwhelming the design. The wire-spoke wheels are automotive jewelry in their own right, providing an authentic period-correct appearance while showcasing exceptional craftsmanship. Their intricate design not only enhances the aesthetics but also represents one of the defining characteristics of classic British sports cars. Combined with narrow tires and low ride height, the Healey achieves a stance that remains captivating from every angle. At the rear, simplicity becomes the ultimate expression of beauty. Small chrome taillights, rounded rear fenders, polished bumpers, and subtle detailing create a clean finish that perfectly complements the front. Unlike today's cars, packed with oversized spoilers and dramatic vents, the Austin-Healey relies on proportion and elegance to leave a lasting impression. This minimalist philosophy is exactly why it continues to look fresh more than half a century after production ended. Now let's talk about what powers this legendary roadster. Under the long hood sits a naturally aspirated 2.9-liter inline-six engine, producing around 148 horsepower in the Mk3 model. Those numbers might seem modest compared to today's high-performance sports cars, but raw horsepower has never been the point of the Austin. Instead, it's about character, mechanical engagement, and delivering a pure driving experience. The smooth inline-six engine produces a rich exhaust note that instantly transports you back to the golden age of motoring. Every throttle input is accompanied by a satisfying mechanical soundtrack that's impossible to replicate with modern turbocharged engines. Power is delivered through a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive on higher gears, allowing drivers to enjoy spirited acceleration while also making long-distance cruising more comfortable. The gear changes feel mechanical and direct, providing a level of driver involvement that modern automatic transmissions simply cannot match. Every shift becomes part of the driving experience, encouraging you to connect with the car in a way that's increasingly rare in today's automotive world. Performance was highly impressive for its era. The Austin-Healey 3000 could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 10 seconds and reach a top speed of approximately 120 miles per hour. While those figures may not rival modern sports cars, they remain more than enough to provide thrilling open-road enjoyment. More importantly, the Healey delivers its performance with charm, character, and authenticity rather than overwhelming speed. Handling is another defining aspect of this classic roadster. Thanks to its lightweight construction, rear-wheel drive layout, and responsive steering, the Austin-Healey feels lively on winding roads. The steering provides genuine feedback, allowing the driver to feel every movement of the front wheels. Cornering requires skill and finesse, rewarding smooth driving techniques rather than relying on electronic assistance. It's an experience that demands attention and involvement, making every journey memorable. One of the greatest pleasures of driving the Austin-Healey is the open-top experience. With the convertible roof folded away, every drive becomes an event. The sound of the engine, the fresh air, the surrounding scenery, and the direct connection with the road combine to create an unforgettable sensation. Modern convertibles often isolate drivers with thick insulation and electronic features. But the Healey celebrates simplicity and freedom. It's about feeling every mile, rather than merely traveling from one destination to another. Inside the cabin, you'll find a beautifully simple and functional interior. The dashboard features classic analog gauges with elegant chrome bezels, providing all the essential information in a clean and timeless layout. Large speedometer and tachometer dials sit directly in front of the driver, while smaller gauges monitor oil pressure, water temperature, fuel level, and electrical systems. Every instrument has a mechanical precision that reflects the engineering philosophy of the era. The wood-rim steering wheel is another highlight, combining natural materials with polished metal spokes to create one of the most beautiful steering wheels ever fitted to a production automobile. Simply holding it reminds you that this car was built during an age when craftsmanship mattered as much as technology. Comfortable leather seats provide excellent support while maintaining period-correct authenticity. Although they lack modern adjustments and electronic controls, they offer exactly what drivers need for enjoyable touring. The seating position feels low and sporty, giving you a true connection with the road ahead. Every control is placed within easy reach, reinforcing the driver-focused philosophy of the Austin-Healey. Of course, being a classic sports car means accepting certain compromises. Cabin insulation is minimal, wind noise is noticeable with the roof down, luggage space is limited, and there's no touchscreen infotainment system or smartphone connectivity. But none of these limitations diminish the appeal. In fact, they remind us that driving used to be about skill, engagement, and enjoyment rather than digital convenience. Reliability has always depended on proper maintenance. Well-restored Austin-Healey 3000 models are remarkably durable when cared for correctly. The mechanical simplicity allows many owners to perform routine servicing themselves, creating an even stronger bond between driver and machine. Parts availability remains excellent thanks to a dedicated enthusiast community and strong aftermarket support, making ownership surprisingly accessible for a classic car. Another reason for the Austin-Healey's enduring popularity is its motorsport heritage. During its production years, the Healey proved itself in international rallies and endurance events, earning a reputation for toughness, reliability, and competitive performance. That racing DNA remains evident every time you drive the car. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely countryside cruise or tackling a series of winding roads. Collectors continue to value the Austin-Healey 3000 highly because it represents one of the last truly analog sports cars. Values have steadily increased over the years, making it not only a rewarding driving experience but also a desirable collector's investment. Well-preserved examples attract attention wherever they go, often becoming centerpieces at classic car shows and automotive events. Perhaps the greatest strength of the Austin-Healey is its emotional appeal. It doesn't rely on cutting-edge technology, advanced electronics, or massive horsepower figures. Instead, it delivers something increasingly rare: a genuine connection between driver, machine, and road. Every drive becomes an occasion, every journey creates memories, and every glance back after parking reminds you why this car has remained an icon for generations. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.